This is the making of my dancing cactus soap. First, I made a sand layer with powdered walnut shells to complete the look. They add a very gentle exfoliation to the soap and don't feel scratchy. I textured this layer to try to make it look like sand dunes. And here's my cactus, which I made ahead of time. In this soap, I was going for a magical sunset look, so I went with a slightly layered in-the-pot swirl of all my sunset colors, layering the colors in the opposite order that I wanted them to appear in the bar. Now for the pour. As you can see, the colors start to swirl themselves as I pour, which is exactly what I was going for. Next, I add my sun in the corner of the sky to complete the look. And I had to make sure that I saved just enough soap to cover this sun. And here's the finished bar.